Hey guys, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here. Today I'm going to review a course called Ultimate Blogging Blueprint by a good friend of mine, Tommy Olson. He's been using this method, making money through his blog, and now he's going to be sharing his method that he does that with. So he asked me to help him with this promotion, so I gladly accepted. I've been actually doing a lot of blogging myself, and I've been learning a lot about how to drive traffic to your blog. And so I wanted to combine that knowledge with this course and give you some really good value for a really nice price. So um, when I went through the course, I really was surprised. He did put a lot of effort and detail into the course, which covers um, setting up your blog, finding the right keywords, how to get backlinks, and just pretty much all the most important things you need to do when you're blogging. How to set everything up so that Google and the search engines um, rate your content as important. So, and that's very important. Google has a certain criteria that and all the other search engines have a certain criteria that they look for in articles. So this actually goes through and shows you, the format you need to be writing your content in. So I was really impressed in that. There was one thing that I noticed it lacked, which was more on how to actually search for content and find content to write about. But I fixed that problem by pretty much making a bonus that's focused specifically on that. So I'm going to show you those real quick. So that bonus is called SEO Maverick, which will focus on how to find topics that people are searching for, and then how to research keywords for those topics, and then how to actually see if those keywords are trending, so that you're getting the exact keyword that people are searching for. So you're not just ranking for keywords that maybe 100 people a month are searching for, but this will be for people that are ranking for or searching in 1,000 to 100,000 a month. So you're going to have higher chances of people seeing the content you're putting out through your blogs. So I put that together for you. That's going to be free when you grab this through my link. And then another one I put together was a backlink building secrets. Now the PDF does go into detail with the backlink links, what links to use, but I just added a little bit more and went into a little bit more detail so that you can set up more backlinks and get more high quality backlinks and get more chances to rank your content to the first page of Google and being in all the other search engines. So you're going to be getting access to that as well. And I threw in a little sweet deal here. I don't really share this deal that much. It's my secret weapon, so to speak. It's my Fiverr gig that I use. It's really hard to find good service on Fiverr, and this is a really good deal here. He does great work. So you'll see that in the video here, how to set that up, and what services to use, and what these services are about. But it's pretty much outsourcing to have someone who's very knowledgeable in SEO rank your content for you. And then finally, going to throw in my overnight YouTube sensation course. This will show you how to actually rank YouTube videos, how to create YouTube videos, so that you can use those to promote your blog, as well as create content and get into video marketing on YouTube. And the cool thing about it is you don't really need, if you're camera shy, you don't need to get in front of the camera. There's a way in there to outsource to get your videos created without ever having to step foot in front of a camera. So all my bonuses were designed to complement this course to fill in the gaps that were missed in it so that you get a complete course on how to set up blogs and then blog and then drive traffic to those blogs. So that was it for this review. The next step is to click the link below and snag this course while it's still under $8.50. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.